Italy. The name itself conjures images of breathtaking landscapes, a country where every corner tells a story of natural beauty and historical grandeur. Imagine sun-drenched vineyards clinging to rolling hills, where the grapes grow plump and sweet under the warm Italian sun, ready to be transformed into world-renowned wines. Picture the vibrant blue waters of the Amalfi Coast, dotted with pastel-colored villages that seem to cascade down the cliffs, each one offering a unique glimpse into coastal life. Envision ancient ruins standing majestically against a backdrop of cypress trees, remnants of a time when emperors ruled and gladiators fought in grand arenas. This is Italy, a country where beauty unfolds at every turn, from the bustling cities to the serene countryside, each scene more picturesque than the last. From the snow-capped peaks of the Alps, where winter sports enthusiasts find their paradise, to the sun-kissed beaches of Sardinia, where the turquoise waters invite you to relax and unwind, Italy offers a stunning diversity of scenery. Each region boasts its own unique charm, from the rustic beauty of the countryside to the sophisticated allure of the cities. Tuscany captivates with its iconic rolling hills, vineyards, and olive groves, a scene straight out of a Renaissance painting where every view is a masterpiece. The Amalfi Coast enchants with its dramatic cliffs, hidden coves, and charming towns clinging precariously to the hillside, offering breathtaking views at every turn. And then there's Venice, a city unlike any other, where history and romance are woven into the very fabric of the city. Built on a lagoon, Venice weaves its magic with canals instead of streets, creating a unique and enchanting atmosphere. Gondolas glide silently through the water, passing under ancient bridges and past grand palazzos, offering a serene and timeless experience. Venice is a testament to human ingenuity and a reminder of Italy's rich history, where every building tells a story of a bygone era. It's a place where art, architecture, and water blend seamlessly, creating an atmosphere of timeless beauty that captivates all who visit. Whether you seek tranquility amidst nature's bounty or the vibrant energy of historic cities, Italy offers a tapestry of landscapes that will captivate your senses and leave an enduring mark on your soul, inviting you to return time and time again. In Italy, food is more than just sustenance. It's a way of life, a reflection of the culture, and a testament to the Italian way of living. It's a celebration of life, family, and tradition. Every meal is an opportunity to come together, to share stories, and to create lasting memories. It's about savoring fresh, seasonal ingredients and transforming them into simple yet flavorful dishes. The emphasis is always on quality and freshness, with each ingredient playing a crucial role in the final dish. It's about the communal act of sharing a meal, engaging in lively conversation, and creating memories that last a lifetime. The dining table becomes a place where bonds are strengthened and traditions are upheld. At the heart of Italian cuisine lies a deep respect for tradition. The recipes are often simple, but they carry the weight of history and the love of generations. Recipes are passed down through generations, each family adding its own personal touch. These recipes are more than just instructions. They are stories, memories, and a connection to the past. The result is a cuisine that is both diverse and deeply rooted in history. Each region of Italy has its own unique flavors and specialties, contributing to the rich tapestry of Italian cuisine. From the hearty dishes of the north to the lighter, seafood-based cuisine of the south, every region of Italy offers a unique culinary adventure. The diversity of the landscape is reflected in the diversity of the food. Pasta, in its myriad forms, is a cornerstone of Italian cuisine. It's a versatile ingredient that can be adapted to countless recipes, each with its own distinct character. From the long, elegant strands of spaghetti to the delicate parcels of ravioli, each pasta shape has its own story to tell. The process of making pasta by hand is an art form in itself, requiring skill and patience. And then there's pizza, a culinary masterpiece that originated in Naples. It's a dish that has captured the hearts of people all over the world. The perfect pizza is a symphony of flavors and textures, with a crisp, chewy crust, tangy tomato sauce, and gooey mozzarella cheese. Each bite is a harmonious blend of ingredients that come together to create something truly special. But Italian cuisine is much more than just pasta and pizza. It's a celebration of the bounty of the land and the sea. It's about fresh vegetables drizzled with olive oil, flavorful cheeses, cured meats, and seafood plucked straight from the Mediterranean Sea. Each ingredient is treated with the utmost respect and care. Above all, it's about the passion and love that goes into every dish, transforming simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Italian cuisine is a testament to the idea that food is not just about eating, but about experiencing life to the fullest. Embark on a culinary journey through Italy, and you'll discover a world of regional specialties, each reflecting the unique flavors and traditions of its locale. From the snow-capped Alps in the north to the sun-drenched shores of the Mediterranean in the south, Italy's culinary landscape is as diverse as its geography. In the north, the Emilia-Romagna region is renowned for its rich, hearty dishes. This area is often referred to as the food capital of Italy, and for good reason. This is the birthplace of Parmesan cheese, prosciutto di Parma, and other iconic ingredients that have become staples in kitchens around the world. And balsamic vinegar, culinary treasures that have earned international acclaim. The aging process of balsamic vinegar in Modena is a time-honored tradition, resulting in a product that is both complex and deeply flavorful. Venture further north to the Veneto region and you'll encounter dishes influenced by its proximity to the Alps. The cuisine here is a blend of hearty mountain fare and the refined flavors of the Venetian lagoon. Polenta, a creamy cornmeal porridge, is a staple here, often served with hearty stews and game dishes. This versatile dish can be enjoyed in various forms, from soft and creamy to firm and grilled. In the coastal areas, seafood takes center stage. The bounty of the sea is celebrated in a myriad of dishes that highlight the freshness and quality of the ingredients. Think delicate risotto with shellfish, where the rice absorbs the briny flavors of the sea, creating a dish that is both luxurious and comforting. Grilled branzino drizzled with lemon, a simple yet elegant preparation that allows the natural flavors of the fish to shine. And fritto misto, a delightful assortment of fried seafood. This dish is a true celebration of the sea, offering a variety of textures and flavors in every bite. Travel south to Tuscany, and you'll be greeted by the robust flavors of the region's peasant cuisine. The simplicity of Tuscan cooking is its greatest strength, relying on high-quality ingredients and traditional techniques. Ribollita, a hearty bread soup, is a perfect example of this. Made with leftover bread, beans, and vegetables, it is a dish that embodies the resourcefulness and creativity of Tuscan cooks. And papa al pomodoro, a comforting tomato and bread soup, are just two examples of Tuscan culinary ingenuity. This dish, with its rich tomato flavor and satisfying texture, is a favorite among locals and visitors alike. And of course, no trip to Tuscany is complete without indulging in a Florentine steak, a thick, juicy cut of beef grilled to perfection. This iconic dish is a testament to the region's love of simple, high-quality ingredients. The southern regions of Italy offer a vibrant tapestry of flavors influenced by their proximity to the Mediterranean Sea. The cuisine here is characterized by bold, robust flavors and a focus on fresh, seasonal ingredients. In Sicily, Arabic influences are evident in dishes like pasta con la sarde, a flavorful combination of pasta, sardines, fennel, and pine nuts. This dish is a perfect example of the island's rich culinary heritage, blending different cultural influences into a harmonious whole. From the mountains to the sea, Italy's regional cuisines offer a tantalizing glimpse into the country's diverse culinary heritage. Each region has its own unique dishes and traditions, making Italy a true paradise for food lovers. Whether you're savoring a simple bowl of pasta or indulging in a decadent dessert, every bite is a celebration of Italy's rich culinary history.